These aren't sculptures. They're nature's artwork. Welcome to Remarkable Rocks on Kangaroo Island, South Australia, shaped by wind, salt, and time over 500 million years. Perched high above the Southern Ocean, these granite formations feel almost unreal. Every angle tells a different story, and no two rocks look the same. At sunrise or sunset, the rocks glow in shades of gold, orange, and deep gray. Raw, dramatic, and truly remarkable, this is one place you won't forget. Like, share, subscribe for more Australian wonders.